Hello and welcome to a hosted P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert on our hosted solution. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
As the hosted or SaaS version of the P11D Organiser does not have direct access to your PC and storage, you would need to transfer information to and from the system via a product we call the Data Exchange. The main Data Exchange page is the landing page for when you log into the hosted P11D Organiser. It is divided into three main areas, with the top left focused on your account security, the top right for launching the software and getting help, and the main part in the middle which deals with uploading and downloading information. To launch the software, click on the P11D Organiser button towards the top right. This will start the full P11D Organiser application in a new tab, leaving Data Exchange available to switch back to when needed. The P11D Organiser button has a little drop-down arrow that allows you to launch the software in different screen resolutions. We would recommend using the in-browser option unless you have issues with seeing all the buttons of the software on screen. In this instance, we would suggest using fixed resolution, but that is only likely to be the case on low-resolution monitors. The default tab that is active is Uploaded Files. This shows the files that you have uploaded to Data Exchange for later use in the P11D Organiser. To add a file or files, click on the Upload button and select the files you want to upload. These can be CSV files, Excel files, XLSX, or JPEG images. The system will then check these for malware and viruses and then make them available to the P11D Organiser for use. When I select the import wizard, they will be available, as you can see. If you want to manage your storage in more detail, you can create folders within the Uploads area by clicking the New Folder button. Once you have finished with importing data, we'd suggest deleting the files from the Data Exchange area. This should not be treated as long-term storage. You can either mark a file and delete it, or use the drop-down to delete all files. Should you want to download any of the files, use the Download button. The second tab is the Downloaded Files area. As you would expect, this is the area where you can access the files you have saved from the P11D Organiser. In general, Data Exchange is your own personal data storage area that only you can access. Should you wish to upload or download files that you want to share with other team members, you can use the drop-down on the right to select Public Files, which opens an area that all users of your serial number can see. Both uploaded files and downloaded files are available under the Public Storage area.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.